Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share fish curry recipe with you. All my friends and families, they enjoy this dish when they come at my place. So I thought I would like to share with you all. About this recipe, I don't use any ready-made garam masala. I use all whole masala. For example, cardamom, clove, and I would like to tell you that when you try this dish, when you eat this fish curry, before you eat, make sure you remove this whole masalas. This is for only flavor and it won't give you any heartburn. Another thing, I also use my homemade curry paste. For that recipe, if you click on this link, you can get that recipe from there. Other thing, also I use one unique ingredient which is tamarind. So I use tamarind puree very last once it's finished cooked, and then I use that pulp, but instead of that one you can add lime juice. Only it needs little bit of sour taste. But tamarind have its own unique flavor. That's why I use this tamarind puree. But if you don't have, look perfectly fine. Few drops of lime juice and it gives you amazing taste. Now I'm going to introduce all ingredients which is we using in this recipe. 500 gram boneless skinless snapper, coriander for garnish, half a tablespoon curry paste, homemade curry paste, 3.5 tablespoon light olive oil, but you could use other oil, 3 tablespoon coriander powder, half a tablespoon cumin powder. Also, if you have a cumin and coriander powder at homemade one, it's awesome. It's gonna gives you amazing taste. 1 tablespoon fresh garlic paste, half a teaspoon fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon salt according to your taste, 2 pinch asafetida, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 small cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 small dry bay leaf, 2 star anise, 12 black pepper pods, 5 cardamom, 5 clove, and also I'm using in this dish tamarind, 1 tablespoon of tamarind, but we need tamarind puree. So what I done, I soak this tamarind with water and we're going to use that pulp. So we're going to take out this tamarind and then only and only we want nice thick pulp. So before we make a gravy, we need to make a paste out of this coriander powder and few other ingredients. So I'm gonna start with a curry paste and then I'm going to add coriander powder, and then I'm going to add cumin powder, so salt, turmeric powder, and now I'm going to add little bit of water, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and I'm going to mix all these ingredients, and we want to make a nice smooth paste. And that paste we're going to add in oil with all other spices. And this is a key thing, that make sure before you make gravy, make sure you make this paste. Reason for that, this masala won't burn in oil once we add in oil. So that's the reason I'm using water. It will help to stop burning this masala, and it gonna keep that taste as it is. So this paste is ready, and now we're going to make gravy for this fish. It's so simple, very simple. If you have all these spices and few ingredients, easy recipe. This pan is ready. Now it's hot, and this flame is medium flame. So I'm adding oil first, and once that oil heat up, then we're going to add all masalas. But before that, we're gonna add fenugreek, and we're going to wait until it changes color as golden brown. From yellow color turn into golden brown. Now we're adding cumin seeds, asafetida, and along with all other spices. And this is all spices will give you very nice taste. So we don't want to fry too much, just only few seconds, and straight away we're going to add garlic paste. We're going to fry garlic paste a little bit, and straight away we're going to add that paste which is we made earlier. And now we can see that oil is releasing. Gravy, you don't have to add any water. So it's a depend, everybody like a different way. But if you want gravy, runny gravy with rice, then you can add water. Now I'm going to add half a cup of water, and I'm going to cover with lid, and I will let it cook another 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to add fish. Now looks like this gravy is ready for fish. So I'm going to add this fish. And fish doesn't take long to cook, so that thick piece take only 7 to 8 minutes each side. No more than that, because in fish curry, overcook also not good either. So this all pieces I'm going to cover with gravy. Okay, so I'm going to cover with lid, and we're going to let it cook 7 to 8 minutes each side, and then we're going to change that side and another side 7 minutes, and then fish is ready. Let's check this fish. Looks like it's already ready, but I always check that, make sure that fish pieces is cooked properly, and see, it's already ready. Looks very yummy, and I can smell yummy fish curry. Yeah, fish curry is ready. This fish is ready, and it looks and smell amazing. So you can have this fish with rice, chapati, we call rotli. Yeah, and so now I'm going to drizzle with some tamarind puree. Not too much, just a little bit, and fresh coriander. And it looks colorful too. If you like this dish and my video, as usual, please like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and family if you like this fish curry dish. See you next time.